A weaver bird build their nests by sowing blades of grass and kinds of sound frame, walls, and an end. The construction of the nest is the tying of a long, thin blade of grass. No means easy. The weaver bird has a real struggle to tie just one knot. First knot to be in the correct form. With the construction. Knot is wrong, then the rest is wrong too, as they are all based on the first one. The knots multiply over time and take on the form of a hoop. Carefully calculate the dimension for itself to enter. Keep other larger birds out. The bird gets the ideal size for the hoop right at once and every time. Weaving the foundation hoop around it in this space. Birds use the same weavers. They weave the blades of grass and over each other. Employ this technique with great patience and eventually construct perfect nests. Giant cities made of hundreds of houses, not just a single one. House of the same construction,